sentences and negative sentences. Simple sentence or affirmative sentence. In simple sentences, we always follow the structure subject plus is a mark plus ing verb plus object plus other verb. In present continuous tense, like she is making jokes now. She is subject here, is, because subject is singular, so is has been used here. Then this is first form of main verb with ing, jokes, object, and now other verb. The same way, they are shouting loudly. This sentence, they subject are, because our subject they is plural, so are has been used. Then shout is main verb, first form of verb with ing, and loudly is other verb. There is no object in this sentence. In this example, I is subject and with I am is followed. If the subject is I in this tense, in present continuous tense, with I am always is followed. Was is first form of verb with ing, a movie is object, and this time other verb. So these sentences are affirmative or simple sentences. Negative sentence. In negative sentence, we follow the structure subject plus is a mark plus not plus first form of verb with ing plus object plus other verb. There are some examples. He is not reading a book. He is subject, is helping verb in singular form, because subject is singular. We have added here not, because negative sentence. This is negative sentence. All the sentences are negative. So in negative sentences, we have to add not after helping verb. Is helping verb and not has been added after is. Then read is the first form of verb with ing. A book is object. Next example, Ramesh is not writing an essay. Ramesh is singular subject, name, noun, singular. So is followed. Then not is added. Write is first form of verb with ing, and essay is object. Next example, you are not playing games these days. You subject in plural form. So are has been used. Then not is followed. Play first form of verb with ing. Games object. Games is object. In these days other words. In this example, I am not watching the TV now. I is subject and am is followed with I. If the subject is I, always am is followed. Then not is added. Watch is first form of verb with ing. The TV is object, now is other verb. So in these two types of structures, simple sentence, we will use the structure subject. Then according to our subject, we will use helping verb is, am or are, according to the number of our subject. If the subject is singular, we will add is. If the subject is plural, we will add are. If the subject is I only, then we will use am only. Then we will write first form of verb with ing. Look at them. All these are first form of verb with ing. Then after we will write object. They are object, jokes. In this sentence there is no object. A movie is object. A book is object. And after object, if there is any other word, we will add it. In the negative sentence structure, we will add not after helping verb. It is important to note in negative sentence or structure, we have to add not after the helping verb. In sentence, is helping verb, not is added. There is helping verb, not has been added. Are is helping verb, not has been added. am is helping verb, not is okay. So the remaining sentence structure will be the same. In negative sentence, we have to add not after the helping verb. Then the remaining sentence structure will be same. Now I will explain you the remaining two sentence structures, interrogative and interrogative negative ones. Okay students, let me explain you various examples of interrogative sentence and interrogative negative sentence in present continuous tense. First, interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we will use the structure is MR plus subject plus first form of ing plus object plus other word and question mark. So, this example is the boy writing the exam now. In interrogative sentence, first of all, we have to add helping verb. Is his helping verb? Then subject, the boy. The boy is subject and first form of verb with ing. Right is first form of verb with ing. The exam is other word and now exam is object and now is other word. Next example is Rajesh buying vegetables now. So helping verb is Rajesh is subject, buying is first form of verb with ing, vegetables, object and now is other word and question mark. In this example, are the students studying in these days? Are is helping verb because subject is plural, the students. The students are more in number, so the subject is singular, subject is plural because the students number is more than one. So are is used here. Then first form of verb with ing studies, first form of verb with ing in these days are other words. In this sentence there is no object. Next example, am I playing at this moment? M is helping verb because subject is I. So with I, am is used. Praise first form of verb with ing and in this sentence there is no object. At this moment, other word and question mark. So the important thing to note is in interrogative sentence, first of all, we have to write helping verb. Is, are, am. They are helping verbs and they have been used according to the number of subject. The boy is singular, so is used. Rajesh is singular noun, so is has been used. The students, plural subject because number of students is more than one, so they are in plural form. So are has been used and I with I and only is followed or used. So first of all we have to add or write helping verb. Then after we write subject. Then after first form of verb with ing. Then object. Then other word and then question mark. Now we take these examples of interrogative negative sentence. In interrogative negative sentence, we have to follow the sentence structure. Helping verb plus subject plus not plus first form with ing plus object plus other word and question mark. I have written here some examples of interrogative negative sentence. Is rather not washing clothes. So is helping verb. In interrogative negative sentence, first of all, we have to write or add the helping verb according to the number of our subject. Rather is singular subject because rather is name. So this is third person singular subject. So is has been used. Then we have to add not to. It is important to note in interrogative negative sentence after the subject we have to add not. Then the remaining structure will be the same. First form of verb with ing, then object, and then other words, if any. Next example is Mr. Sharma not coming to meet you. In this sentence, is helping verb because Mr. Sharma is singular, third person name. So is has been used. Then not has been added after the subject. Mr. Sharma is our subject. So helping verb is used and not is added after subject Mr. Sharma. Then the remaining structure will be the same. First form of verb come with ing coming. There is no object to meet you. This is other word or another clause. Infinitive. In this sentence, infinitive has been used. To plus first form of verb. We come to the next example. Are the people not wasting money these days? Are has been used because our subject is the people. People showing large number of people. Means there are many, me, including me, women, children, all. So this is a group. So we have been used here are. Then not is added after the subject. The subject is the people. So before subject we have used here are, and after the subject we have to use not. Then first form of verb, west is first form of verb with ing. Money is object here, and these days other words. Then question mark. In the last example, am I not asking you about that book? In this sentence, am has been used. Why? Because the subject is I, and with I, am only is followed or used. Then not has been added after the subject. Then first form of verb ask with ing, asking, you is object, and about that book other verb, and then question mark. So in the interrogative negative sentence, the important things are, first of all, we have to write the helping verb according to the number of our subject. If the subject is singular, then we will use is. Rather is singular, is has been used. Mr. Sharma is singular, is has been used. And if the subject is plural, are is used. The people is plural subject, so are has been used. And with I, always am is used. So this is the important thing. We have to start the interrogative negative sentence with helping verb. Then after, the next important thing is, after writing subject, we will have to add not. After the subject. Before the subject, we will use helping verb. And after the subject, we have to add not. Then the remaining structure will be the same. First form of verb with ing, then object, then other word, if any, and at last question mark. So students, I hope you have got all these examples and sentence structures of present continuous tense. Thank you.